Hey everyone, it's Billy B. Baker, also known as Bill Butchart Baker. You've seen me around Minneapolis playing with the Butchart Baker and the Candlesticks and the very idea. And today is Boxing Day, or Unboxing Day in the USA. In the UK, it's known as Boxing Day, the day after Christmas. And everyone knows it's the day that you're taking all your gifts back to the stores. Well, in these days where we've done most of it by mail order, everything's back at the post office or the UPS building right now. A lot of activity going on right there. But I want to tell you about what unboxing I'm doing today. I'm unboxing the John Lennon Gimme Some Truth box set. And we're going to spend some time with this in just a few short moments. And you're probably saying, Bill, everybody's unboxed that already. It was released October 9th, the 80th anniversary of John's birth, and is celebrated with this fabulous box set. Well, I'm a man of a certain age, which means that I remember that when we got a Beatle album, it had to go under the tree. It went under the tree until Christmas Day, and then we could unwrap it and run upstairs and play it on our little portable LP players. That's how we got to know our Beatle records. Spent intimate hours with them after all the wrapping was undone. And the next day your friends came over, you played it for them, right? And that's kind of like what we're doing here, except with the copyright rules, I can't play it for you. So I'm just going to unbox it and tell you, you've got to at least go to Spotify and play the 36 songs that are out there. But if you're like me and that little turntable wasn't enough, that you wanted to graduate up to quadraphonic, remember that word? Well, now it's 5.1 surround sound on a Blu-ray disc, and that's included in the box set. And that's how I'm going to spend my next 90 minutes. So I'm going to get intimate in my studio in a few moments, listening to the 5.1 surround sound. But I thought I'd take this opportunity to open the box set with you today. All right. So here we are. There's only one time that we can do an opening or an unboxing of a particular CD box set, and that is when we actually open it. So let's split it down the sides here. We used to rub these on our jeans, the CDs, to get them to open. That usually worked. Did you have that trick? And so let's open up the box set here. I like to try to keep the plastic on because I love the stickers that it comes with. So I love to try to keep that on with my box sets. And so, we didn't totally look at all the things that are in it. We got this lovely picture that we've seen. And we've got the listing of the 36 songs on the back side. Give Me Some Truth, John Lennon, is on the spine. And then we've got a barcode, of course. Top is just gold. And then you have two items inside the box itself. Once again, we do have the Give Me Some Truth image. And then we also have that on the book itself. Well, wait a minute. This is the book. And what is this? Well, let's find out together. Why don't we? I'll put this down. We'll open it up. And we'll go. This looks like a full-length book here. Oh, I love the images that they've, let's see if you can pick up on that. They've kind of turned them gold in different places. I am returning this MBE in protest against Britain's involvement in the Nigerian Biafra thing against our support of America in Vietnam and against the cold turkey slipping down the charts. That's John Lennon's renouncement of his MBE. It looks like it will be a lot of fun looking through this box set, reading up this book, looking at the various images. This is the master tapes, I presume. Got some lyrics there. Very cool, some handwritten lyrics. That's always fun to study the artists in their own right. Enjoying that. There we go. Beautiful picture, John. I love the gold leaf. It's almost, that's all the way through this in different areas. Look at the utensils and the microphones. They're all gold here. The art direction on this package is certainly beautiful. And now we're working through all the songs in their order. Isolation. One of the most beautiful songs. Love, another absolutely fantastic song. God. And I hope someday I'll be able to share with you God. I have a mix of God that has the Beatles isolated because vocals played backwards, working inside I Don't Believe section. And it's amazing. It's amazing to hear, and I hope someday I can play that for you. Power to the people. Imagine. So young when he wrote that. So young when he passed. When he was murdered. Tiltonhurst. He was definitely the icon and a hero of mine, if not the definitive hero of mine. Certainly I didn't agree with everything that he did, but I certainly understood and loved him along the way. And yeah, I had aversions to Yoko and bought into the crap, but I don't allow any Yoko bashing around me because he loved her and she loved him, and they were good for each other. They complemented each other. This is going to be cool. I can't wait to hear this in 5.1 surround sound. It's the Come Together Live. Oh, look at the art from the Melody Maker full-page ad for Mind Games. That's awesome. Melody Maker was a major magazine for music, originating out of the UK. Oh, look at the family. That's always a great story. And I found out today that, and it didn't make sense to me, but this was the first #1 solo that John Lennon had. Whatever gets you through the night. Bless you. I love the artwork for this album, where you could flip the different images and get that was great marketing, great album design. That was what was so cool about albums, is that people had so much fun creating different ways that you could experience that 12 by 12 artwork. This album he did because Here Come O Flat Top was lifted from a Chuck Berry tune, and so that company sued him. And he said, well, I'll tell you what, I'll do a whole album of your material. And that's how that came out. And of course, we all know that must have been an awful lot of fun. Watching the wheels. Some Polaroids. You can just see the color faded from the Polaroids there. Woman. Every man has a woman who loves him. Nobody told me. Do love those shades when he traded in for a new shape of shades. I'm stepping out. Grow old with me. Old-timey picture there. That's cute. Happy Christmas War is over. Give peace a chance. Oh, this is awesome. And there's the some discography there. An absolutely awesome. And somewhere, you know, in my package, I have the Rolling Stone issue that had Yoko and him on the cover. What do we got here? Give Me Some Truth bumper sticker. Yep. If I could afford to buy more of those, I would. Let's open this up. We've got a postcard. That artwork that I'm enjoying. With the gold, kind of gold leaf. And here is the renouncement of the MBE on a postcard. Now that's awesome. Like that. Looks like we've got a nice poster. Something that I would hope would adorn this room at some point in time. It's double-sided. When I was working with the record labels, we would get uncreased versions of these so we could put them up in the stores. Shame I don't have that connection anymore. Around me, sometimes you will see some of the posters that we got when I was working for Capitol and other labels that handled John Lennon. This is great. I like that. So what have we got here? We've got the CD1, which says Gimme. We got the CD2 that says Truth. And this is the piece that I'm going to spend the next 90 minutes with, just loving. This is 5.1 surround Blu-ray disc of The Truth. And I am going to just dig on this. So I want to thank you for spending a little time with me as we look at this box set and the things that it included. And I want to offer you peace. And I want to offer you, if you're going to make trouble, make some good trouble. Peace and love. Namaste.